we will learn the distributive property of integers. Let's first know what is distributive property. A huge auditorium was to be constructed for which an engineer prepared a sample of seating arrangement. According to the sample, the auditorium will have 4 first-class rows and 6 second-class rows. If each row has 10 seats, how will we find out how many total seats will be there in the auditorium? Think about it. Let me explain. There are 2 ways to find this out. Method 1. One way to find out total number of seats in the auditorium is to add the total number of seats in the first and the second class. Here, the number of seats in the first class is equal to number of seats in each row multiplied by number of rows is equal to 10 multiplied by 4. Similarly, the number of seats in second class is equal to number of seats in each row multiplied by number of rows is equal to 10 multiplied by 6. So, the total seats in the auditorium is equal to number of seats in first class plus number of seats in second class is equal to 10 multiplied by 4 plus 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 40 plus 60, which means 100 seats. Method 2. If you look carefully, you will see that number of seats in each row is equal in both the classes, which is 10. Here the total number of rows in both the classes is 4 plus 6. So total number of seats in the auditorium can be calculated by simplifying 10 multiplied by 4 plus 6. After solving this, the answer will be 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Result was the same in both the methods. So we can say that 10 multiplied by 4 plus 6 and 10 multiplied by 4 plus 10 multiplied by 6 are equal. We say that the multiplication is distributed over addition. So, the distributive property tells us that we can either add the numbers in the brackets and then multiply the result with the number outside the bracket, or multiply the number outside the bracket with both the numbers inside and then add the result. Can we distribute the multiplication of integers over addition? Think about it. Now, let me tell you. Let's find out whether 5 multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by minus 4 plus 5 multiplied by minus 3. If we solve LHS, the result will be minus 35. Similarly, if we find out the value of RHS, this will also be minus 35. So we can say that the multiplication can be distributed over addition. Broadly, for any 3 integers a, b, c, a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So the distributive property tells us that we can either add the integers inside the brackets and then multiply the result with the numbers outside the brackets, or multiply the number written outside the brackets with the numbers written inside the brackets and then add the result. Multiplication of integers can also be distributed over subtraction. For example, we can say that 5 multiplied by 3 minus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 6. Here the value of LHS 5 multiplied by 3 minus 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 15. Similarly, the value of RHS 5 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 15 minus 30, that is minus 15. Result is same in both the conditions. Hence, for any 3 integers a, b and c, a multiplied by b minus c is equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. So the distributive property tells us that we can either subtract the numbers written inside the bracket and then multiply the result with the number written outside the bracket, or we can multiply the number written outside the bracket with the numbers written inside the bracket and then subtract the result. Try and solve the given question. Is minus 4 multiplied by minus 12 minus minus 15 is equal to minus 4 multiplied by minus 12 minus minus 4 multiplied by minus 15? Today we have learned the distributive property of integers. We will understand this better with few examples in the next video.